You see these particular kinds of videos? The trending video of animals cooking? Look at this TikTok channel that has gone viral because of they are posting these kinds of videos. Have you checked the kind of views each of these videos rake up on YouTube and TikTok whenever they are posted? Let's watch this video together. Creating this video is easy as it takes only 4 simple steps. Step 1. Crafting your prompt to generate images using ChatGPT. Step 2. Creating these images with Leonardo AI. Step 3. Turning the images to realistic videos using Hailuo AI. And Step 4. Using CapCut to edit and add final touch to the video. Now immediately to Step 1. Create a prompt to generate images using ChatGPT. First, open your browser and search for ChatGPT. Let's scroll down a bit and click on the main link to the website. At this stage, copy the text from the PDF file I provided already beforehand. Comment file if you want this prompt forwarded to you. Then head over to ChatGPT and paste it. Delete this section and replace it with 5, which is the total number of prompt I want ChatGPT to generate for me. Wait for a while for ChatGPT to generate the script. Go through the script to ascertain there's no mistake. After that, copy the first prompt and let's take the next step. Step 2. Generate images using Leonardo AI website. Search for Leonardo AI in your browser. Click on the main site link. Click on the Get Started tab and sign in. After signing up, click on the Image Creation section. This brings us to the pricing system. We are using the free version, which allows for 150 credit, which is enough for whatever you want to use it to create. Head to the settings and change the model to Leonardo Phoenix option. In the Prompt Enhance section, choose Auto option. In the Preset Style option, select 2D. In the Contrast section, choose High. Click on More option and then select the aspect ratio, the TikTok YouTube short ratio style. Now paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT into the prompt box. Click on Generate to create the image. Wait a bit for Leonardo AI to generate amazing images of animal cooking. I think this is fantastic. If you like any, you can go ahead and download. Step 3. Convert images to video using Hailuo AI. Search for Hailuo AI in your browser, click on the main site. To sign up, click on Sign In, and then choose Continue with Google. Then click on Image to Video, click on the icon to upload the image you downloaded from Leonardo AI. Then head on to ChatGPT, copy the first prompt, and paste it. Then click on Create, which costs 30 credit. Then it starts creating. It takes a while to complete the process. When it's done, watch the video to review it. Here's the result, and I think it's amazing. And then download the video. Final step. Remove the watermark and edit the video using CapCut. Open the CapCut desktop app. Click on Create New Project. Click on Import and select the video you downloaded from Hailuo AI. Drag the video into the timeline. Then click on the crop icon and adjust till the Hailuo watermark is gone. Then save. Add text to the video. Make sure you add some creativity into this. Watch the result. Save it. Now this shouldn't be the only scene you are expected to create, because we still have 4 more prompts to implement. I already have those settled already, so all I have to do is to go back to New Project and import all the videos I have edited, like I did to this first one here on CapCut. Then drag it to the timeline. Click on the transitions, select the black fade option, and insert it in between the videos. You can add audio background if you want. I don't need that for now, so I will export the video. This is what we got. And this is the end of this video. See you in the next one.